All right, guys, we're about to dominate some of this treacherous off-road gnar on the HAOQI Leopard Pro. Yeah, buddy, here we go. Oh, jump. Oh, holy shit, another jump. Okay. I had my cruise control on. Oh yeah, this is the stuff right here. This is what I've been waiting for. Hitting the trail. Let's go back. I'm gonna get to the hill here and we'll go back the other way. This is awesome though. Wow. Where the hell is everybody else? Oh, here comes Jason. Oh, he's going off to the side. All right, yeah, I'm gonna hit the trail again some more. Yeah. All right, hope you guys are having fun. Caught a little bit of air. Woo! Yeah, buddy. This is what's up right here. Yeah, this is what I came for, guys. This is what I've been doing since I was 5 years old. And I'm not about to slow down in my late 40s. Let's go again. Well, let's go see what the crew's doing and then maybe we'll go again.
Straight back.
All right.
Do you need to stop or anything to try to adjust anything? Or
no, I'm fine.
Okay.